Before we begin, make sure to watch the video all the way through for the greatest parts. Crypto Conflict Gunship Battle. Gunship Battle, Crypto Conflict, Joy City's blockchain-based maritime strategy game, is now available for both iOS and Android smartphones. Players can create naval bases, command their soldiers over land, air, and sea, join alliances, and devise innovative methods to conquer the seas in this war-themed play-to-earn game. Gunship Battle, Crypto Conflict's crypto-based components bring the universe of Gunship Battle, Total Warfare up to date, making the game's authentic maritime conflict more high-stakes. World boss battles, cross-server World War tournaments, Armada strike group, and a Blitz defense mode are also on the cards. Milico. Milico is a fungible resource. The in-game money titanium can be converted to milico and vice versa. Titanium is a one-of-a-kind material that you can obtain by completing daily quests or exploring resource islands. Earn titanium to modify your aircraft, trade blueprints, do research, and more. Thanks for viewing, and let us know what crypto games you're playing this season in the comments below.